Installing a DIMM. The system DIMMs are located in slots 2, 4, 13 and 15. The NVDIMM is located in slot 11.
Locate the target DIMM using the through map on the air duct or the lit LED on the motherboard, and then replace the DIMM.
Make sure that the DIMM ejector tabs on the connector are in the open position, and then insert the DIMM squarely into the socket. The DIMM fits tightly in the slot but should go in easily. If not, realign the DIMM with the slot and reinsert it. Close the air duct. Install the controller module. Refer to the video titled Installing the Controller Module for the procedure. After installing the controller module, you need to complete the following actions. Run diagnostics. Restore the controller module to operation after running diagnostics. Refer to the education course for the procedure.